I have special feeling when I see that civilians were targeted here, and unfortunately with some casualties. And I could see that the people are they are patriots. They have special feeling, and they hosted us on the best way to show to be open and to tell what happened really.
There is no evidence of any terrorist camp in this area. They are all ordinary people, ordinary civilians trying to make their living. They are
along with my colleagues, I witnessed, saw that these damages, sufferings, injuries by the local people here. I'm thinking is that people are suffering, and that is why this Kashmir dispute is important for the international community to pay attention to, and also to find a peaceful solution and the UN security resolutions.
Basically the Indian forces, which would be completely against all principles of civility and humanity.